Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that manages the business because ownership simplifies link access. Next, open Google Maps and search the exact business name so you land on the listing page. Once the listing appears, make sure it is claimed or verified. Google exposes more tools to verified owners. From this position, you can access the share or promote options. This is where the short review link is generated, so stay on the listing and proceed to the next step. Now you generate the direct review link. On desktop, click Share and Copy link. On mobile, use Share then Copy. If you need a more controlled URL, get the place ID via Google's Place ID Finder and append it to the review URI format to create a persistent review intent link. Once done, paste the link into a private browser or incognito window to test it opens the review form directly. Make sure the link prompts the star rating and comment box, otherwise adjust the method. Finish by distributing the link where customers will use it: email, SMS, a website CTA, or a QR code on receipts. When you send it, instruct users to tap Rate and leave comments. If people report seeing the map instead of the review dialog, make sure the place ID was correct and the business listing is fully public. Sometimes account permissions block the review intent. If issues persist, regenerate the link or use a URL shortener and retest across devices before wide release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.